We're going to Ace Water Spa. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Daddy's birthday today. Sasama ka po kayo sa buffet. And outfit check. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung bigay sa akin ni Ma'am Tess. Thank you so much. And yung necklace ko, my shades na binili nung nag-event ako sa Healthway. And of course, nag-tube. And mamaya na yung iba. So yung baba, dun na lang sa event. I mean, dun sa place na pupuntahan namin. Bye! See you there! We ended up walking, going to Ace Water Spa kasi sobrang traffic, guys. Ayan o. See you there! We're finally here at Ace, the Ace Plaza. So ito yung design nila. Tada! Papasok na kami. Doon ata ang entrance natin, ma. Doon. Na-late na kami. So, si Daddy and si Adam.
NBI Medical.
We'll go inside. Let's go inside. Wow, look at that. Inaantay nga sila pa. Wow! Ang ganda ng design. Wow, wow, wow! Dito kami kakain, guys. Hindi kami magsiswimming, kakain lang. Hello! Good morning! Late na kami. Sorry naman. Ayan o, tingnan nyo yung view. May swimming pool. Oh, ganda! Table number 7. Table number 7. Thank you. Thank you so much. We're here. Kasi na. Ganda ng view. Tingnan nyo, guys. Salad station. Tapos merong mga main course. Let's eat! Oh, they're banana bread. Ayan, tapos yan ang mga banana nila. Inaantay nila si Pam. So, ayan, kakain na muna ako, guys. Okay? Kuha ako. Ito yung mga cold cut deli platter. Tada! Let's eat! So, ito yung mga kinuha namin. May pansit. May salmon, may yang chow rice, may chicken, may soup. Oh, gusto ko yung soup na yan. Sarap. May dessert din. Kasi yan, may hakaw, may siomai, may sausage, may ham, kompleto. Ito kay Daddy. Oh, kuha pala ako ng pumpkin soup. And may salad din. Kain! Happy birthday, Daddy! Wow, look at the view.
Saan yung hapdong doon, di ba?
Mamaya, ilibot ko kayo, guys. Tada! Happy birthday, Daddy! Look at the flowers. Beautiful flowers. Ayan, dumating na si Aiden tsaka si Pam. Ayun sila, oh. Look at Aiden! Hi!
Hi, Steve Ching! Hi,
Hash brown nila. Wow! And they have bacon. Bacon. Ooh! There's lots of bacon, guys! Ang dami! And they have a cheesy garlic pasta. Let's see to it. Wow! Oh, I'll try their pizza. Meron silang pizza. Tara, kuha tayo. Second batch. Plate na ako, guys. Second batch. Let's go! Ito, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung chicken tocino nila tsaka yung lengua. Ayan o. Wow, ang sarap. Diba? Chicken tocino and lengua. Wow. And they also have salmon a la pobre and stir fry noodles. So, ito yun. Ooh, yummy! O, diba? And they also have corned beef. You see the corned beef? There's a corned beef. Sarap. And ito yung kanilang sausage. Sausage. Yummy. Tapos, ito naman yung kanilang cooked ham. Ooh, that's so delicious, guys. Natikman ko lahat, masarap. Promise. And then they have a garlic rice also. Garlic rice. And the yang chow. Yang chow rice. Yan. Then, they also have steamed white rice. Hindi ko na i-open, pero steamed white rice yan. And they also have here cream of corn. I'll just show you. Tan! Ayan o, sarap. Mainit pa. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Yan. Hi, Mami! Hello. How are you? Pang second plate mo na? Oh, yes. Ang ganda. Oh, tingnan mo yung ceiling, guys. Ang ganda. Wow. Ayan sila Pam, sila Aiden. Cold cut deli platter. Ayan. Then they also have cheese deli platter. Oh, they have cucumber salad and Mexican corn salad. Oh, may salad. Salad section. Oh. And then, their sauce. Wow, ranch dressing. Mga sauce nila. O, diba? Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko dito, yung hakaw nila. Naubos na. May siomay. And ito yung kanilang pasta noodle station. Korean yan. Diyan ginagawa yung kanilang mga pasta. Ayan, may egg. Ayan. Rice noodles. Ano ba? Carbonara sauce. Aglio. Ayan. Kung gusto mo ng spaghetti or any kinds of pasta, they have different kind of pasta sila yung gagawa for you. Sabihin niya lang kung anong gusto nyo order. And they also have dessert. Ta-da! Yan. And here is pancake. Yan. Yung mga pang breakfast naman nila to, guys. So, may butter, blueberry jam, strawberry jam, may chocolate syrup. There. And they also have bread. Banana bread. Yan. That kind of bread. Ooh, may heating ano sila dito. Area. Oh, this is cool. Ang ganda, oh. Ganda ng mga nasa ceiling. Very nice. Diba? Ayan, meron silang Japanese station. And they have beverage station. Ayan, ito yung kanilang Ace Coffee Lounge. Ayan. Oh, they have here fruits. Fresh fruits. Watermelon, orange, and they also have desserts. Dessert station. Ayan, oh. Wow! Diba? Ice cream! Oh. Tara, kain na tayo, guys. Kasi hanggang 1 lang daw sila. Malapit na po mag 1 o'clock. Ayan po. Ang kanilang breakfast atmosphere meter. Yan po yung mga oras nila. Diba? pwede nyo naman i-screenshot. Ito yung kanilang entrance, yung Ace Coffee Lounge nila. Ayan. So, pagpasok nyo, ganyan. Actually, maliit lang yung place, pero maganda kasi masasarap talaga yung pagkain nila. Kain na tayo ulit. Let's go! Ito naman yung mga oats, raisin, and nuts nila. There. They also have, wow, strawberry yogurt na salad. Plain yogurt. And they also have the blueberry yogurt. Ooh! And they also have grapes, melon, papaya, kiwi, and dragon fruit, guys. And here yung kanilang mga beverages. Oh, I'll try this one. Ta-da! Ayan. Let's go! Ayan, kuha tayo ng baso. Ayan. And they also have here yung coffee nila. Coffee station. Ayan. Diba? Oh, wow. There. Ta-da! Look, konti lang kinuha kong ice cream. Kain. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. And kami na lang ang naiwan dito sa buffet. Yan o. Nadilim na. Yan. Kumakain.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Thank you! Thank you po! So, nandito ako ngayon sa CR. Tapos na kaming kumain. And yeah, bloated. Thank you, Ma'am Tess. Ang ganda talaga ng bigay mo sa akin. Sobrang malamig pa naman dito. Tama-tama. For cold weather talaga yung binigay mo sa akin. So, yan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung accessories na dala ko. Of course, this is my belt bag. Tadan! Meron lang akong powder, and then of course my wallet, Barbie, and then mirror with comb, and meron akong lip shiner and inhaler dahil nga may sinusitis ako, and tadan! The sunglasses. Sige, mag-ayos muna ako, guys. See you later! Ito yung kanilang mga Christmas tree. See that? Look at that. Wow! Ooh! Wow! Happy holidays! Ooh, cute! The dessert. Ito yung mga sandwiches nila. They have chicken pot pie, a red velvet cheesecake, and an Oreo cheesecake. Sarap! They have a chocolate moist, a blueberry cheesecake, my favorite, and they have a tuna tortilla wrap, and then the Cani California macaroons, and the chicken tortilla wraps, and ayan. Ooh, mga pang shabu-shabu nila yan, guys. Sarap! And ito yung kanilang mga menus. Kung gusto nyo order, pwede yung screenshot. Ayan. Diba? Or pwede nyo i-pause yung video na to para makita niyo yung mga prices. Ang ganda lang dito. Kasi, ano to pwede ka dito mag-swimming. And at the same time, pwede ka rin kumain dun sa kanilang buffet. Ayan, no? Ooh, love it! Happy birthday, Daddy! Ang cute. Thank you, Ace Water Spa.
Nakay mami pera pa dyan.
A few moments later.
Andito kami sa Kidsonia. Ha? Let's celebrate! Yeah, naglalaro si Aiden sa loob, guys. Clay making. Wow. Hospital. Ice cream. Aiden. Aiden. Wow. Bagong gising. Ayan. So, kung pupunta kayo dito, download Kidsonia PH. Aiden. Wow. What's that? It's clay? Wow.
Oh! Say hi, baby!
Hi. Hello. Hello. Si Mami here playing. Nantuwa siya.
Aiden! Aiden!
Ibugtong mo yung paa mo dito. Tingnan mo sa balon. Para malax yung paa mo. Dito ka. Nug mo dito. Sa ganito lang.
Ayaw ko lang.
Oo.
Oh, that's the one.
Binibidyohan ko nga oh. Ay, ang saya niya. Wait mama. Wait mama. Oh, wow. Robinson's Galleria. Ayan. So, yun naman si Aiden. Nag-grocery siya. Iba't ibang station dito, guys.
Oh, no!
Oh, no.
Nakita niya
Nahulog yung kanyang mga pinamili.
Bata.
Ay, bata ba?
Sabi niya,
Ayan.
oh, no!
Ang laki. Pwede rin sa adults. Ayan. Mag-enjoy din ng mga adults. Especially dito sa slide. Tapos dito sa... Ayan. So, eto, may flower shop dito. Cute ang mga flowers. Ito, flower shop. You know, ganda. Cute. Ayan. Tapos may mini counter dito. May cashier. Tapos may parang ano siya dito. May itsura ng pera nila. Hindi na mabuksan. Kanina naka-open. Ayun. Tanan! Cute! So, ito naman yung kanilang supermarket. Yan. See? May mga radish. May cabbage, tomato. Oh, si Aiden pala yun, oh. O, diba? Mga gulay. Kasi ito, may fire station din sila. Yan. Kitchen house. Oh. Ano? Again. Ayan, kitchen house. Tapos ito, pet world. Ayan, may sushi bar. Marami. Tapos ito, may mga events. May couch din dito sa loob. Woo! Tadan! Lawak niya, guys. Ayan, oh. May burger shop. Cute na Aiden, oh. Oh, wow! Ayan, oh. Hospital naman. Cute! Look at that. May mga ano.
Doktora ka na, doktor.
Tapos yun yung kanyang patient. Diba?
Saan ang patient mo?
Cute.
Wow.
So, Pauwi na kami, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And I will see you po on my next vlog. Pauwi na kami. Bye-bye. So this is my locker, 155 and 156. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Popsy. Yeah.